Right, in this video, I will answer another important question under forensic science. Before I will proceed, I would like to recognize first Rowel Kulan-Kulan, my former student in Jose Rizal Memorial State University, Polo Campus, College of Criminal Justice Education, no? Shout out to you, no, sir, no? Ang question is, firearms are like people that have general and specific characteristics. What firearms characteristics refers to those that can be determined only after a gun is already manufactured. Okay? So, ang baril, para na daw yung tao. Merong class characteristics, meron ding individual characteristics. Okay? So, ang tanong, anong firearms characteristics ang ma-determine lamang after the gun is already manufactured? At ang tamang sagot is Delta. Individual characteristics. Okay? So, tandaan nyo ha, sa 100 peraso na caliber 45, lahat ng sanggaan na yan, parehas lang sila na tinawag na class characteristics. Before and after manufacture, determine ang class characteristics. Pero yung 100 peraso na yan, after yan nagawa, okay, magkaroon yan ng tinatawag na individual characteristics. Okay? Iba't iba ang ugali ng 100 peraso na caliber 45. Bakit? Kasi ang paliwanag dyan, ang gumagawa ng firearm system